Hello everyone, so here is the FPL data fetcher app which I compiled in Python 3. This lets you export most of your season history to an Excel workbook. The app has been updated for the latest FPL season. Nothing much has changed. I've just added percentile ranks. You will need a Windows device on Microsoft Excel 2010 or later. So here is how you use the app. Open the GitHub link provided and download version 2 under the Assets tab right here. After you have downloaded it, extract it using a zip file extractor. I use 7-zip. Open the folder and double click this exe file right here. And it asks for your FPL ID. To determine your FPL ID, go to your game week history and copy this ID right here. Enter your ID in the app and hit submit. Now you have to wait. Depending on your system, this will take some time. The app will not respond during this, but that's normal. Don't worry about it. After it's completed, it will show you where the Excel file is stored. It will be in the same folder as the app, so just go back to the folder and double click the file right here. Switch over to the second tab. So here is your data. Now the first thing you should do is open a new workbook and copy the contents of the sheet to that workbook. You don't have to do it, but if you run the app again, it will replace this file, so better be safe than sorry. Right, this is your season history, your team name, ID, and the number of players, the legend with wildcard, bench boost, etc. Game week, the game week points, the game week average, game week high score, points benched, transfers made, the transfer hits, your game week rank, your percentile game week rank, your overall points, your overall rank, your percentile, overall rank, your position, and your team value. The numbers here indicate your position relative to others. So your percentile game week rank is 3.84. That means you're among the top 4%. Similarly, if your percentile game week score is 93, so that's terrible. 94% people have scored better than you, basically. So that's how that works. And if you move down here, you have your game week scores for each player and who you captained, who you vice captained, who were your substitutes. And below that is the dream team every game week. Moving over, this is just a visual representation, nothing special. Move over to the right. You have your overall dream team at the end of the season and your head-to-head history. If you haven't participated in any head-to-head leagues, it will just show your cup, which is right here. And this is your league rank history, your rank in all your leagues. And this is your transfer history, which includes the wildcard and free hit. I know this app can be improved and there is a lot of data which is missing. Feel free to suggest what you want to see in the comments below and report any bugs. That's about it. Alright, thanks and good luck.